Iceland, the land of ice and fire, is a must-see on your bucket list. The mainland consists of a volcanic plateau with lava fields, mountains, glaciers, black sand beaches, glacial rivers, waterfalls, volcanoes, and dramatic views where land and sea are meeting. Skogafoss is one of the biggest waterfalls in the country, with a width of 25 meters and a drop of 60 meters. Due to the amount of spray the waterfall consistently produces, a single or double rainbow is normally visible on sunny days. It is one of the most visited waterfalls in the entirely island. Hverfjall, also known as Hverfjall, is a tephra cone or tough ring volcano in northern Iceland, to the east of Hvitserkur. It erupted in 2500 BP in the southern part of the Skogafoss swarm. The crater is approximately 1 kilometer in diameter. Tephra has been carried from Hverfjall all over the Hvitserkur area. A landslide apparently occurred in the south part of the crater during the eruption, which accounts for the disruption to the round shape of the mountain. Grabrok belongs to the Vatnajokull volcanic system. It extends over a distance of 90 kilometers and is one of the longest volcanic systems in Iceland. The last eruption in this volcanic system was about 1,000 years ago. Grabrok Crater rises about 170 meters above the ground and is easily accessible via a footpath. Vatnajokull is the largest and most voluminous ice cap in Iceland. The average thickness of the ice is 380 meters, with a maximum thickness of 950 meters. Under the ice cap, as under many of the glaciers of Iceland, there are several volcanoes. Eruptions from these volcanoes have led to the development of large pockets of water beneath the ice. The Vestrahorn mountain is one of the most iconic in Iceland, with its imposing peaks sprawling along the east coast of the country. If Iceland is known for one thing, it's the indescribably beautiful and otherworldly scenery. Towering glaciers, sweeping coastlines, and of course, dramatic mountains fill the landscape with truly unique beauty. Standing as a backdrop for various movie and television scenes, including Game of Thrones, the outline of Vestrahorn is recognized across the world. It's also a popular landmark for photographers hoping to capture the moody vibes the mountain emits on a stormy day. Hverir is a geothermal area with incredible landscapes which combines natural beauty and geothermal activity, feeling like exploring a different planet. The contrast between the vibrant mineral deposits and the barren surroundings adds to its otherworldly charm. Iceland is a unique place. You can just stop the car anywhere on the road and enjoy the natural beauty of the island. You can find a lot of amazing spots where mountains meet the sea, glaciers swipe on land, and cold rivers brings pieces of ice from the glaciers. Iceland mixes the beauty of black sand beaches with green fields and lava fields. The mountains are sharp and tall, and you can find a lot of wild horses in the area. Hvitserkur is a 15 meters high basalt stack along the eastern shore of the Vatnajokull Peninsula in northwest Iceland. The rock has 2 holes at the base, which give it the appearance of a dragon that is drinking. The base of the stack has been reinforced with concrete to protect its foundations from the sea. Hvitserkur is a small wooden church located on the south side of Snæfellsnes Peninsula, Iceland. It is a local parish church that was first established in 1703, but the current church was built in 1848. The church is known for its beauty, both the building itself and in contact with the surrounding area. The church is still used to this day, both for traditional church events for the parish, but also for other events like destination weddings, music events, and storytelling, to name a few. This was inspiring for you and you chose to visit Iceland. Many more beauties are waiting to be explored. I promise you will not regret. It will be the trip of your life.